Kasi napapanood ko kayo sa TV, nung hindi pa ho ako senador, during your term, na meron ho kayo sinasabi, uubusin ko kayo, papatayin ko kayo. Ano po ibig sabihin? Sino po yung uubusin ninyo? Sino yung papatayin ninyo? Ito ba yung mga user, mga pusher ng illegal drugs?
Lahat. Hold-upper, kidnappers.
Hindi lang sa
Hindi
drugs.
lang droga, sir. Lahat po. When I was mayor, kalaban ko lahat ang criminals. Yung mga kidnappers sa Mindanao po, marami yan. At yung mga lawless elements doon, when they go on a rampage, they take over the entire municipality. Yung bangko lahat doon, hino-hold up. At yung police hindi makagalaw kasi nakapalibot sila and there are civilians. And they cannot start a war because the civilians eventually will be killed in the process. Pati sila.